As Aarlo says hello to his sister. They're half siblings, same mommy. And he's like, come over here, say hello nose to nose. Yes. There you go. There you go. No, you can't. No, you can't go in. He's like, I like her. I'm gonna go in. No, no, sir, you can't go in. No, sir, you can't go in. No, sir, just stay right here. No, sir. No, sir. He's insistent. He's like, I'm going in. Dang it, I'm going in. No, just say hello. That's all. Just say hello. There you go. Just say hi. Just say hi. So cute.